Abladi abi mi Rosemary koko anyingba nengmene gbine nke no ko so tokomba ogbenu nojia ke frafra bi fe ni ogadangbe popa ine no fe ena me manche ni na me yosia ke ye shikon ne no aye manche ni ko no ewo amekele ya na ga manche ni te ko through the second ni no fia ni yo mi ni saake afe ye kusuna amenya mefe Germany ke ote oba na beni awie brofo awie frafra na awie gaun moko ba ke futu France e wo moni onuga oba nu frafra oba son nu brofo nye ha nu ya nu akwa beni ni femu oba ya no ke ha. Today I bring to your doorstep the enscament of the new Frafra chief. He is going to champion the cause of all the people of Frafra. So come along with me as we witness this event.
Kejengmene keya ame manchene kame hie nyelo ni watao ni wa mene eba wo hie mene eba wo hie no fe no ni gba frafra bia na abo amonu pa na amonu pa ke mancha atashi ko na nyi ame hie keba ko ni no ni di amesande na me keba ngbe wo hie ko ni water achofa ni wo kan ha me na me keba cha aiko anya ko frafra bi to manyaba
emende tin nabala minantar yel sere abahd la paa kindum abahd la paa kindum ala baziri soha te batar paa enga te enga mahanzo dubama mana to be ba wa soha bo se to lebo ba yina gira ina ihzo wa ba maziana taradin wana ta imam ihzo wa taradin wana geti ba yel na bala ba na bala ka ta la habare to so se ka hambona ba farwo mo tinga minad kamati na bambala ati bun kurbala te ba duwe te ba so la dia siyo ba ba la pa ba ma to ba be ba wa so bo to ga arba ba yina to farwo bok zina kamati na bambala daga yima yehezi ana tete ai ngari abono to tinza na te bang tire na bambala te zalanwa to sir hambona te kelmba to babanga.
We are very, very happy today that New Jersey Mantse, as we are all here, it's our brother. We are Mampursi, they are Kusasi, Frafra, Mampursi, we are all the same. We are brothers. So the opportunity they have given to us today, we are very, very good, happy that God bless Mantse, all the chiefs. We understand that's why we have been here today. I don't have anything to say. We just thank you very, very much. God bless all of us.
Thank you so much. Inner City, thank you. And we will cooperatively work together to help him to be able to do exactly what you offer him to do. Thank you so much. Your kindness.
Omanyaba ye wo fe ogbe ko mi twa omanyaba na cheme iradon yi nyeme hu iradon niga ni jase ke gan fe nye iradon yi ake frafra bi edie amehin enye lo ameke ba chonwo ameke nde ko meba wo ile ameke ni die nyon wo ile amatu mo fe mo iradon
ago chabeka jame
cha omanyaba cheme nyeme ministro wo yi
Eribo aye, o ja ja eribo aye, kwa krame, Jayeribo, aye.
The Mancheni amone eba Tanga house mini ameba mu no piano na yebie be mi na wole ake Frafra Mantse ke ha Greater Accra. Be o na beni ewebi ehun nya ehe ke ha eye for nenche odogba.
Nyeye ebojiamli ni ona kenele manchene je bokoni be nyesene no ni eteshinde ka wule manche shi ona ke eke imambi ni yo wogane sun ojugba iwa meyo se enitumo kopa ni ama enomie ni me no komeni nsumo ye heji ake eyo si ake shi awule frafra manche shi mo eye me koma shikono we nye eteshino na ewe manche yo eke ya chon be niga niji ni teko true niji enyo ni kecho ni ajeman kesi no akeni na efon no akega hinme yo hi ni biene na wobu no pa ne chuo no twuma ojugba di no ya abaka frafra bi ka gbene gadangbe bi fe ni yo biene wana gadangbe majanche me hu fata me kenyanyura ni kenkwe ni neke ajibo ni wo cheme ejinshi ha ni acha no na kan hu wo ya jeme no wa kwebo ni eyole ojugba
Yo be wa yako
onu frafra no ba ne amewie mo mo enwo yi
inu ba
ni ji wie mo ko no
oh inu ba tinye marie
ye be ni samle wo ba ta se
anu kwale
ko ni ka kele ti ame mamle hu ke wo te ni wonye wo wie frafra ojugba na he we wo jeme ona ni ba ya no bi na chobu na amanye shikote jema ba obu na alo ame ya megbe ko na ima alo na kai no ko mina ke wo che ko me wi wo ya ni ma buleto yi
Ami 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 Ami
yo wa ke ni ntasen no no ja ke mlami oyosia ke shin manche ta idamoshin shi anro na ke le ta shi agboje mli
Ami
onupa mini ya no amro ne
wafafa mancheni wafafa mancheni wojile ni mbene wotiwa na shitonche ni jiga manche ni ejole ni wakele bashia ni frafrabia imam ni ji imam Adamu le isoli ha manchemeni egbu ife dani bashin no isoli ha me fe dani atashi
no ya no je mene no ko no na te na fe no
dabi
blema kan ko no
oh atashi feshi ejwe ni mo fa mo ejesha enu shake leji monike okele ba hie no mene ike onupa ite asla gamanche ni ji shiponche ni abashin ane wo gba ko onupa ba tashin ni aba decide gbe ni aba jilepo ni ajelepo ni acho Ghana man bi fe
bien na soliale
then Imam Adamu ni ji frafrabia imam leji moni solo ha le biane
oyirado.
My name is Jimmy Atama. I'm the secretary to the Frafra community. We had an emergency meeting yesterday relating to this chieftaincy affairs. And it was concluded that we have to move today because we have been with the guys. We have informed them. It's almost about a year now. Let's assume so, because the past 6 months, we wrote to them that we have selected somebody whom we want us to lead us. And it was in this house that we started everything. Meetings were held by elders. We have 3 districts in Bolga, and we have all the representatives that are here in Accra. We have Bolga Central, we have Balka East, we have Nangodi, we have Tongo, and we have Bongo. They are the major districts in Balka East, Upper East. And what happened is when we convened the meeting, they all came together and realized that no, we have been left out for some time, and we needed to have a chief who will lead us, because like we are left out. Even if we're the elders, maybe have something doing. What about the youth? We must think about the youth that are coming after us. So we found it necessary that we must put ourselves together, get a chief who will lead us. And eventually, we had 4 contestants who came to contest these chiefs. We vetted them. There was a team of about 7 people who vetted them. That were the elders. I happened to be the secretary in that note, and I vetted them. And we're supposed to come here and submit a report. But what happened was when we came here, the crowd was too much. People were agitating. They wanted to know who was going to be, because there were 4 people who were contesting. Right? Out of the 4 people, one from this house, this old chief's house, decided that, okay, he would not contest with his brother. So he was relinquished, trying to come down. He came down and asked his brother to take the lead. There was crowd. The youth were here. They wanted to find out who was going to lead us to the next land. Then what happened was there was much tension. And out of the 3 people, one had traveled to Kumasi. He took permission that he was coming back on the Sunday. He would be with us so that we see what we can arrive at. But at the end of the day, he didn't turn up because the elders foresaw that there was tension and they could not bear it. So what happened was that, okay, let's put our heads together and put into voting so that whoever wins will lead us. And that is what actually happened. When the voting was done, our current chief had 134 votes, and the other one contestant had only 4 votes. So that actually disqualified him. Right? They were called by elders here and advised so that they should team up, put their heads together and see how best they can push this man ahead so that he'll see how best we'll take Frafra, like I said, to the other land. He agreed, and everything was like, it was very amicable. We understood everyone. Then they left. He was Alhaji Baba Abbas Yaba Akayezia. But now that he has been made a chief, he's now Naba Akayezia. The number now.
Barka. Na ini lobo gidane sala. De zawago de Ankara. Great la wa de Ankara great. Nzele tisuma hu pupele mbona. Ade suma na yena se suma kono. Engam potu za wa zina pupele mboto tinga suka. Amen.
na mamna na on jilmona lafiya na on albarkan ngunyo verne na kurgu ngom mun canci ya mama na on calutale na on ta kunyang ndia o yurma na on ta kay lebin nan bugu yinne na on gume ni shitale
yo mina ke shi men wishi wo manche well na me hashika ke manomi ewo EFL pam
ndumogan adangbe bia amenanemi ye gamanche ye helimon wo yo ha wo Frafra Greater Accra chief e woni atole gan manche na nemi na kan ale wo fen wo twi emomi no ale wo dumogan manche na nemi na ka tole kan Greater Accra Frafra chief wo fen wo twi emomi ni wo gan adangbe bi ni wo yo Greater Accra ne wo ka ko me femo atashi ni wo smo wo yi ton be na ato gamanche ha one ni wo fe kumi ni wo tai na nation ni jomo ena wo fe ni lehun jomo anale nenye ne hie ewe bie ni ekumi fimo efe wo no twa mani aba ngbaji ni tete denta Frafra ni Lagos Medina mi domo sin aga andam
mina ke shi Rosie mina ke ake nukombai ake nuen ha watche what is about to happen. What is about to happen?
That is our culture. You know, when a visitor comes,
You go somewhere, you come, your wife has to give you water. So welcome him with water. That is a welcome water.
Symbolically, now that he's been installed, you are giving him water. Water is life.
Yes, so we are giving Naba Akayezia life to handle all Frafras in Greater Accra. Yes, symbolically, that is why we are giving the water.
This is impressive, and we are all learning today. Who has started the music? This music is so soothing. So, one of the religious leaders is singing.
فديناه محمد رسول الله فديناه بالغرواك لو كان يبتدى فكل بعبادة دلالي قد اقتدى محمد
Malan taidu bolga la sira ti da po kala ara bola kala tarwa pazina ti kelka tame get you going bo mpanga bo imam giba ta de ka Upper East regional chief imam current ade pending chief imam Upper East so yin bo imam gibo mpanga ti ka tama yele.
Right, so that's the youth chief. What did you say?
What I've just said so this our father Nayimu Malan Taidu. The one we started the meeting here, he was here with us. And today he could not come. We will not forget of him. I'm saying to pray for Malan Taidu. Formerly he was our Nayimu, means deputy imam in Upper East. But currently he's now pending Nayimu. I said we should pray for him so that God will give him long life and prosperity so that he will be able to handle Muslims in the whole Upper East. Yes.
Thank you very much. So what is happening now is that people are bringing in money
to pray for the chief.
All right. Thank you very much.
Entire community.
Okay. Yes. Thank you very much. Ewobe Rosie chomiake beni imam men solie be men ke shikamba oni me basoli ke ha me alo even ke ha manche bo ma fe mo keju ko shikaba be noni country no no bas mona fi be imam me soli ke ha ni bla me we bla mi no e woni ake nu e ba ha manche ake shinue wala kama inke wala fo ko ye wala won boy no fe no ke na wole manche ne ibe wala ibe no ni manche ilibe ni ke ila hu e mole hu enye ye manche wo na ejinoko ni wo ka se ya mekusu
ewo eye fanya ake amefi ne ken kusu ne ni nkase ni pi
Zaki Aleki akadaki
Loja Cameron ebe Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ni akpe ewebi ikeba na Rosie. Wo na akebe ni fe mo na ele. Je gbe kan bi ani fe mo.
Kumo be ni ameju onya webi e.
Ona boni ake you are welcome, you are welcome. Ba me tuwa gele ne keke de ma me yin. Welcome. Webi en yan me.
Wonder Vice President say Chiake enye etumeni ambakwe Frafra bi ayise.
Ayise, Felpam. So what you are witnessing is a delegation of the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, being welcomed by the dancers in a special way to acknowledge the effort of the Vice President for honoring their invitation by sending a delegation to grace the occasion. And this shows that this isn't a small occasion, a big one for that matter.
A big one for that matter.
Kenoma sama sa le saba nzi le satin le na karwa saba wo
ewo wabo nona me hia wie mo towe abawie frafra mi be wo ke ba gambling
get one to nengala one to na san wana fiwa c'est des sola zina de la yemadare nerakaki naraka berega gesana na ada yema bono tinde yema bon la mantin ada sela inde soglom bono balate wayete wo okunkun la fiwa nasa na puan la te adol pour puando malesa mala meta ambanga sela kene On behalf of the National Executive of Baumia Movement present here, I would want to congratulate the Frafra community for doing the needful thing by selecting a leader to represent us here in Greater Accra at large. It hasn't been easy when we lost our late father. It has been a struggle of to how we're going to select and get another leader that will represent us for us to be heard aloud when it comes to decisions in the city here. Realizing that you've taken a good move, the Vice President's office will not just also sit quiet, knowing that his people are trying to do their best by selecting somebody to represent the Frafra fraternity in Greater Accra here.
What I can say to my king is that may the good Lord protect you, give you wisdom, and give you the good heart to lead the people of Frafra in Greater Accra. I wish you all the best.
My big slave. My big slave in Accra. We are so grateful and we are happy that today we are being part of this special occasion. And we pray that as you have taken your seat, your throne, God will give you the wisdom to be able to rule this kingdom to a success one. Thank you.
Thanks be to God. Frafra people being peaceful. You have installed a new chief, a new king, peacefully. And I say, glory be to Allah, glory be to God. Honestly, we have come peacefully, and I pray that everything will end peacefully.
Lojake shin Vice President ebe follow shin eba ki amenoko kenchi amelumo yelia ise. So the delegation of the Vice President is presenting a gift or a present to the new chief, which is really impressive.
Please, your message to the youth of Frafra.
First of all, I'm Tebra. I use in Godfrey. I'm the Frafra Youth Chief. My short message to the youth is that Frafra Youth in Greater Accra, we have to unite to articulate our affairs. Very simple. We need to support one another. We need to know one another so that we can solve our problems in Greater Accra. My Tebra, I use Godfrey. My youth Naba. My soil nga pika tintabora yufledele te lang taba zala taba nong taba geton son taba afa fafarma wabu ankara poy girka bala ankata se sel pa ya ba te nong taba ge lang taba ton son ti taba bu kala zabala ankata se sela mpo hoya
e wa kuku fo ntia ke moni do mo Frafra youth bi a Nigeria mi ke agashi amefe komeni amenya amekwani ameni fe mo fe na ba fe o manye.
I thank all the elders. I thank all the elders. They don't want cheating. They don't want cheating. They stand on every front. We have Bongo elder. We have Balka East elder. We have Balka Central elder. And we have Talasi elder. And we have Nabdan elder. They come together and choose me as a chief in the Greater Accra Frafra chief. And my name is Alhaji Abbas Nyaba. Akayezia Kalahaba, God to a chief in Naba. And today, I want to think that today is our day. Today is our day. Today is our day. And we'll be grateful to the God. Today, and the history is repeated, that I'm now a Greater Accra chief. and skin today, 19th, 2021. And we are grateful to God.
Yes. Nah.
All the youth, I want to take them far. All the youth, I want to take them far. Whatever in the night, in the evening, in the daytime, when you call me, I'll respond.
Yes.
Now, elders, I'm with them. Whatever division we have in ourselves, we should today cease. We should come together and move Frafra forward. Our forefathers, they are 3. And now I'm a 4th. The 4th. Greater Accra, the 4th. And Frafra chief in the whole Greater Accra.
Thank you.
And God bless our Frafra in Greater Accra. God bless our Frafra in Accra. I want to also continue.
Yes. He wants to continue.
God gave me a power
Yes.
to continue what they left. And I also continue. Yes, I Ankara duma zawabe kingdom ya zanyure. Ankara duma kingdom ya zanyure. Bungo kima ya zanyure. Bolga kima ya zanyure. Bolga iskima ya zanyure. Talsi kima ya zanyure. Nabruma kima ya zanyure. To zinade te dabhere. Zinade te dabhere. Fa farduma zawabe mbo ankarawa de te dabhere zina. Tia yema naba Abbas Alaji Nyaba Akayezia Kelahaba Yene buri naba Yene buri na Suguri naba Mambalet yetim poho Ankara zawabe kama zina ti edik mazili Mopu fa farduma zawabe mbo ankara wa zawabe Mopu fa farduma bo zawabe kama ti zina de ti dabe sone ti da irime ti kata nenga dana ti ediki pango buma ti ma nzile ya nare le ndiki akado ho ankara zawabe le mbihe mo englan wane ti ankara fa faduma za tole nenga ba youth kombon ko pohe na selewu kama za obe ma ndike no po bora ba za wabe poka ndore naba madik no po bora pon te pon naba mbo ankara wa yina mbo zusungo along mo poka Sela timabota ndikle ya aha timpahe naba abelizide engan zile te fafaduma zawabe da diki zile kala te engan de fafaduma naba ada engan da zile ka fafaduma zawabe kama da zala fafaduma kala Newtown wa tina keka zina de tina keka yirwana deka abia Musa ya deke asoma bazan bula yina yide gete mo boda pomporongo yide yina boba garson wozin bamat niya tete zina wa te maya pa ha bonahe yina batin zala fa faduma ankarawa ina mboma lafiya ina mboma ma elders la zawabe lafiya ina mboma suguri zinati ba dike ba pangawa dike yamawa ba yele sela zawabe kama zina dare fa fadimbo zi wo kama lo saka wo kama zina ba ye fa fad zawabe naba yina yeri naba selawo gobka inga wo zo inga wo yina yeri naba yina mbati zawabe wabu yina na yina mbati zawabu wabu yina na yina mbati fafare de tulu nenga fafare da de the whole Ankara zawabe kema nda de president bani yatala inga da zalsel wo zawabe zina darwa de fafare inde palka taba nan pe nya dike yehina zina darwa inde fafat taba nan pe nan dik na yehina wa dik zele yina botu zu songo yina mbati zawabe de buyina babo zina wo kama zina naba yita ya no yeli sela wo yina mbati te kinamala te bayeli te kin gamanche zin ta yeli sela yina mbati selawo nda kami te nela ina na te pik ba mazan ba nge do taba te la eng sunga buma gayel set mabota ndike pa fa fatuma be ti yina asin lu nabala zina masin banti yina asin lu ndaba zina masin banti yina lu naba zina de ebene man wa ankara kala ba dormala ankara kala 441 tema ikela ankara kala te batarma kule ba mo sen dornera ankara kala zina darwa te masin banti kama yina batarma pajilla ina yi fula mi bin inde fuwa te ba dikiyal la daga sala eti yo zina darwa te batan yel menti kama yina da yi fula mi dikibin da dikibin ma te anyaka zina wadala le ya male wana le siga ankara kala le lemna le siga ankara kala le zela ankara kala zina 2019 ti badaluma ko biya ba na 19th badalo ko biya na Friday 19th Friday yale be zina dare ti yama ankara za wab kama ledik mazeli 19th Friday le ya bolembal so balala de na anfula simbola la azupwa balt mabota ndeke ka fafadu maza wab kama tempo ya le ya de ke popele maboma zina darwa tin zala fafaduma sunga zala fafaduma nde nenga dana ti kinta be mo englawan selo wonde tampuru ya vara yelana gen wotu ya vara selo wita itana ya da vara yelana gobka wo zo wo na nenga wo zia wo poru wo ya vara borama zina mabatan yelse mbala yina mbatu zusunga
e wo amno ne nke wo mami e kumi baba wie ne chon obeni e na ni fe mo ke ha e ba wie ye frafra mi keke esen wie ye gamni ima o fine ke mo no ni
zina dara man po ye zozo e de po pelo ndare zina dara what is an king jache sia ta dinawa imam ta na la wa na la te pour pay pa de le kaman nawa bo yiriwa tun 1880s man so ndi nawa zele te tenga king na ma wana te gamanche inyo a gamanche te ngale de zoto te badiki zoto la ha ta yelen ti a na la kan man ye yiriwa zine darwa ina ka boy abiye wana di na ala dika ayibka wana di na ala zine de bo na dare te de dike bo na anwa zinawa di mapu hezo zo the government chairman dik no le bing se en kaman zine darwa de na pupe ndar bo da fafa dum za wa bumbo ankara wa ba dik no yina te tumal ko wa te tinga de na sala wonda ni fafa da mal boto madanya shin wa ke mene bine ya mishe wa ake money e ba ye manche brother fifi bibioni e ya ke mbapa na ejeboga no me twane po ba na baga ne ba ye manche ya bie in the 1880s mene manche ehie seto mo enyo dani leba she 441 mene wanda nyumboshi ake no fi ano ebano jejeje wo mi ehye wo he won dashin ake ni won kwanyuma fai hu ake mmene gbine ni eba ye manche ne le hu ehia wo no koni echon wo gbeno ni sanu wo ton e ka fe le gidigidi kura no fi ano ni gba wona e han wo fe wanawu afi ekomi ni mi sha ba wote mi ndanye shi
I know you are do. I'm running what be no fiano na bia woke woni fe mo ba na gbe acho mi Rosemary koko anyigba nke gebro ni oboda itoko ashon ke Joshua tari adum ne fe ne keni fe mo na ke ba ogbe no ke o kwe ne keni fe mo na ni e fe before bo sho ni nyanyo me fe ame na me kwe no subscribe to what channel le wa yibo NG 024 1431035 024 1431035 be ko akpe o. Bye bye for now.